Morning, everybody. 10-second blue line is hit by US 30, 15-second next. Then we'll look for 30 seconds for all of them. We'll be looking for somewhere between a 5 and 15-minute buy stop, maybe a 30, 40-minute buy stop later on today. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Got off to a bright and early start here. Okay, well, not as early as the last few days, but close. I don't know if there's any news today. Please let me know if there is so we can make money off of it. Getting my channel set up on YouTube. Speaking of which, hopefully you guys can hear me good. I believe I'm live everywhere at the moment, but I'll check that in a second. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And there we go. Excellent. Let's see. Yep, I think we're live there. Are we live here? That was the question. Yes. Lazarus is already giving out likes. Thank you, Lazarus. There we go. And we'll get ourselves set up on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oh, sell stop to the 15-second blue line, US 30. There you go. It's already heading there. We've already would have made money from the time I called that, and here it goes down to that blue line right there, and you're going to see this arrow turn to red. Yep. And we got exciting news. I know you guys are going to like it. This one is going to... This one is going to turn to red. And then we're hopefully seeing these ones over here turn to red. And that's what we're after. We're going to go down and touch that line. Identify, please. There it is. Touchdown. Second correct call this morning. We're like 1 minute in. There it is. You'll see that change right now in this second. And then we're going to go up to there you go. And there they go. Touchdown again. Touchdown. Now we're waiting for SPX. We're going to go over to SPX next. I never play these sell stops. The only ones I ever play are buys, but you can play these, no problem. It's your choice. There we go. Yep, sell stop SPX to its 30-second blue line. That's what we'll be playing next. That's these two right here. I'm going to zoom in real quick. Just like that. You're going to see ES1 and SPX switch. Eventually, take its time. Only play the sell stops. You're a little late now. You should have already been in the 5-second sell stop. I called the 10-second sell stop in my email I sent out to you. And then the 15-second will go also on US 30. And you're welcome. Good morning. Is there any news today? Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Julius. Good morning, Lazarus, number one. Good morning, Larry Cooper and Mike Lewinsky. What's up, Glo? Julius, John Blaze, Annie Apple, and Ryan Marcus. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and call this one next. It's going to go down. Just be patient with it. And then I would only play. It's arching up and hook and come back down. This is what it's going to do specifically. You're going to see this pink line hook come back up, and then it will come down. You're going to see price action hook come up and then come back down. All right, then there you go. Then this just changed. Next up will be these right here. These are going to all change to red, and I do believe you're going to see NAS do it first. There you go. And I believe you're going to see SPX and ES1 do it second. And then you'll see third right here. There you go. And then again, there you go. There it is. Touchdown again, SPX. Touchdown US 30 to the 15 blue line. Touchdown NAS and SPX. And let's go over and make sure on ES1. I haven't even said, yep, ES1 also is going to flip soon. And there you go. Let's go over to US 30. And US 30 has a long time to go. I'm going to go ahead and put my alert on for here. I should have been putting alerts so you guys can hear the real deal. No, I wouldn't take these trades. Let me explain to you what I would do if I were you guys. There you go. Good morning, everybody. Sorry I didn't say good morning to everybody yet. Sorry, I can't spell a word. I am a terrible typer. I think I'm a little bit better at trading. Okay. Now, good morning, good morning, good morning. I see things flipping. I don't care. This is still what it is. Oh, there we go. All right. Where was I? Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Boy, I don't even know what time or day it is. Ooh, SPX2 touches this today. Fuck. Today is, what time is it? 8:23. Okay, I don't know. I don't think any of these. Maybe these? Good morning, Stephen. Good morning, Varani. Good morning, Orlando. I don't know if you guys are here or not. Good morning. I don't know who's here and who's not. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I think these are the mornings. Okay. Grant. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Corey. Good morning, Larry Cooper, Brian Claus. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, John, Larry, and Brian. Morning, Stacy Ocho. Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, Babu. What's up, Bob? Good morning, Arginus Luna. Everybody's here. I love you guys. Good to see you all. Where's all my ladies at? Good morning, Glow and Lazarus and Larry Cooper and Michelle Glowinski and Ray and Julius and Annie Apple, Ronnie Marcus and Todd Marshall. Good morning to you all. All right, that's the call outs. Now, how do I determine what they're going to do? Well, that's because the system tells you what it's going to do. Good morning, 8 Ball. Good morning, Keith Palmer's in the house. Hey, Keith, which one of these is the new one? The one on the left, the right, or both? He's probably laughing. The newest of the new. Which one has the delay? You know what I could do? Probably go inside of it and tell myself, see? Let's see. Aha! This is the new one. All right, Keith. He's probably laughing at me going, yeah, you dumbass. You need to just check something and quit bugging me. Oh, you put it on both. Good for you. Thank you, Keith. I'm going to move this out of the way. Nope, this is still showing 1 second sells below, Keith. Interesting. This is showing 1 second below. I'll keep an eye on it just in case. Thank you, Keith. Keith is the best. The great Keith Palmer in the house. He's the one who's just finishing up for us this magnificent free upgrade from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. There you go. See it, see it, see it. Boom, 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 boom. You need to go to 50 seconds. And he's just an amazing person. As always, please send all your happy, positive, healing prayers towards my beautiful wife, Bree, and of course, Keith. And then I ask your blessings upon each and every one of you and your loved ones. Let's see. This is interesting right here. We'll see how this one plays out. No worries. See, look, it's just a little. See right there? The NAS is red here and it's green there. And now it turned. Must be just sending them a tick late, what it looks like. All right, we're good. We're good. I won't do that no more. Then it's saying no buy stop here on the 5 second, but a buy stop on the 5 second there. Well, it's close enough. Is there any news at 8:30? Fuck it. I don't care if there's any news at 8:30. All right, I guess we're good on that. All right, but at any rate, and see, I don't see my money signs flashing either, Keith. I love your money signs. I think they're funny as fuck. Keith's laughing at me. See, there's money signs being thrown here. No money signs there. Doesn't matter. But it's always so cute. Keith throws up his money sign. Look, another one here, not one there. I don't get too much about that. All right. At any rate, Keith is coding away as always. Every one of you should be so thankful. We're going to be done with this one definitely by the time I get back from Ohio, Lord willing, in about a week. You'll see this will be given out, well, sold out to all of you. I'm depending on when I'm going to do that, but it looks like the free beta trial for all 50, 60 of you will be over with soon. Either very, very soon or in like a week it'll be done. And then you guys get to go, hey, well, this will be a free upgrade. If you're in the rifle, you'll get the free upgrade. The great Keith Palmer, the man, the myth, the legend, the one who codes everything. My beautiful wife, Bree, helps out in every way humanly possible. Then Keith codes us. It's amazing. This will turn next. This will go down to there again. It will go past here. 15 seconds. Gorgeous. This is like an engineering feat of the world right here, what you're witnessing. This thing right here, you guys can see all what I see at the same time I see it. I wonder if John and Matt Parker are still loving it. Anyone else have the free upgrade on the live today? The beta version? Does anyone else has a version of this on their charts? Do you like it? Yes or no? Do you love it? Yes or no? Good morning, D. Jones. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Bob and GB and Matt. And Mr. Gold's on today. Hey, Mr. Gold. Long time no see. Good to see you, sir. Good morning, 8 Ball. There he says, love it. what areas you travel around in Ohio. I just came from Akron and daughter graduation. I don't like Akron, but I'm glad. Congratulations on your daughter graduating, first of all. Where do I travel? Well, my sister lives outside of Ashland, Ohio. We're going to be flying into Columbus, Ohio. We're going to be visiting other family in small little country towns like Millersburg and smaller. And then we'll be visiting family in Cedar Point, Sandusky, Ohio, going to Cedar Point actually. And then when we get back, a week later, we fly back to St. Thomas. Yay! And then after we get back from St. Thomas, a week later, we go to Vegas. And then hopefully we line up a house to move into for 6 months or a year in Vegas. Before September, we're going to move into Vegas. Go to Vegas. Is what we're after. Yes, love it. I don't like Akron. I grew up in Lorain, Ohio. Lorain, Ohio is a fucking shithole armpit of the world. Sorry, but it was. And Lorain is real close to Akron, Canton. Just saying. It's just, they're just not good places. I'm trying to be as nice as I can, but fuck it, I can rip Lorain. See it going down exactly where I told you? Oops. Turning red next. Good morning, Orlando Waters. Blessed mornings. Thank you for the safe travels, Damien. Yeah, we got a lot of flying going on. Annie Apple said yes. Yay, Annie, I'm glad you like it. Thank you, Ace Bullet, for thanking Keith and Bree. Appreciate you. Good morning, Ray on TikTok. Good morning, Ace Bullet on TikTok. Good morning, Annie Apple on TikTok. Good morning, Annie Lee on TikTok. Good morning, Glow on TikTok, and Vince and Lazarus on TikTok. Kirk Brown. Good morning, Kirk and Orlando. Blessed morning and blessings to each and every one of you listening. We're just having fun this morning, waiting for the buy stops to kick in. I would never play a sell in my life. But you guys do what you want to do. You're grown adults, do your own thing.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Let's see
advisor.
if I can set up some ding dongs, baby. Let's see if we can get some kind of, yeah, here we go. All right, we're going to go to here, and we're going to go to here, and we're going to get rid of this thing. I'm going to go right here on a 5-minute buy stop US 30. Later, sooner or later, you're going to be hearing these little ding, ding, dings. By 10:30 this morning or 2:30 this afternoon, you'll be hearing this. I think by 10:30 this morning, we'll have a nice little push up. I'm glad we're having a little pull down right now. I don't know if there's any news. If there is, someone let me know so we can make money off the news. Is it already passed? Never mind. Fuck that. News is already passed. 5-minute buy stop US 30. 5-minute buy stop YM1. 5-minute buy stop NAS. You can see where I'm putting in my take profits. There's no need for me to tell you this. You can clearly see where the take profits are going on. Every time is right there. I'm trying to make less and less work for Kim, the person who does our system for us. There we go. Beautiful. There we go. NQ1, 5-minute buy stop. SPX. These sells are just getting us set up for the buys later on this morning, probably right around open or right after open. We're just sitting here. How much further does it have to go up? That's a good question. ES1, it's in the game. Buy stop 5 minute. And I will continually plop these so we can make some noises here in just a little bit. Let me move this in a little, see if we can make more noises. ES1, it's in the game. Let's see, SPX. And we also have an alert working, or Keith is getting it worked on. I hope we can talk later today. Keith is a busy man, and I did a few things yesterday. Gorgeous looking trades developing for us. The further it pulls down, We want to go all the way down to the 4-hour sell. That would be awesome, a 4-hour sell on all indices, and we'll get a much, much bigger pullback up. How long will this trade go up for, as people are asking? Let me get to there in just a second. We're going to go up here, and I'm going to tell you right. Well, actually, we can do this. I can show you better than tell you. We'll go over to here. We'll go there. All again. Why is that not good? Let's go back here. We're going to go up to here. This is how much longer you're doing what you're going to see this until US goes up to here. And once US 30 goes up to there, which I can tell you, speaking from where we're at, your US 30 is going to go up about 1,000 to 1,500 pips more. And then we'll be done with the buy stop. You're in the middle of a weekly buy stop. I was saying anywhere from about 900 to 1,000 to maybe 1,500 more pips on US 30, and then you'll be done with the buy. Again, good morning to everybody on TikTok. Lazarus, Glow, Larry Cooper, Michelle Glowinski, Julius, Annie Apple, Ryan Marcus, Rainman06, user 1570, Steve Thompson, Rich OBX, Fabby Trader, welcome, SOG, US 50, user 5619, and Rob at Embers HVAC. Good morning to everybody on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch. Finally purchasing sniper rifle this coming month, making some profit to put towards more system. Nice, Damien. Thank you, Damien. And of course, you'll get the free upgrade I've been talking about this morning and the last several weeks. Rinse and repeat, baby. Yep. What about the 5 and 7 minute buy stop at NQ, Damien? I'm sure it's there. What about it? Good morning, Kim Bernard. Speaking of Kim. Good morning, Kevin and everyone. Good morning, Kim, and welcome. And thank you so much for everything, for being here. This is very much appreciated. Go back here. Let me see US 30, 12 hour. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We got a lot more room for that. There we go. Waiting again for this to come down, and it will shortly. Good morning, Super Z. What's up, Super Z? Super Z. I do believe Super Z69 is named Kevin too. Good morning, Kev. Good morning, Cliffy. Good morning, Sub Zero. Good morning, Monte Dunn. Monte, how you been, brother? How's the family? Good morning, sir. We got to get Monte the new. Send over your TradingView username, please, Monte. I got to hook you up with something. All right. Waiting for this to, it's going to change very, very soon. Oh, it's going to change soon. Oh, please. There it is. There is the 15-second US 30. Ding, ding, ding. Did I have my fucking sound on? Huh. Wonder why I'm not getting my dings this morning. Beautiful call. You're welcome on that. While you might think that not much of a call, you could have and should. Well, technically, I told you back here, you could have made as many as 20 pips this morning on it. Look at it go down. Look at it go down. Next stop, let's take a look at NAS 100 30-second and see exactly if we're going to hit that or not. Ricochet already did it once, twice. Yeah, I think we might get that again. Obviously, here it goes. There it goes. And I believe you're going to see NAS and NQ hit first. Yep, there you go. You might even hit NQ first. That'd be wild. You'll see these change here in just a few. There you go. As I point, God listens. No, I'm laughing my ass off. This is funny. Anyone that doubts, go rot somewhere else. That's all I can tell you. There's no need to be a doubter at this point. This is too good. The system is just stunningly amazing. Just chill, sit back, enjoy it. Be grateful I shared this with you. ES1, it's in the game. Where is my ES1? It's in the game. That ain't good. Oh, what was I doing? I fucked around too much. Found out, didn't I? Look. Oh, I switched those. Let me go over to here and go over to this one. ES1, vertical, vertical, vertical. Hold on 1 second, peeps. I thought that was our object tree. Huh. Well, okay, we'll just move it up one pane and down one pane. That works too, just doing it manually. What I'm annoyed about is that I thought I had that action, but I was doing. All right. Sell stop to all. 30 seconds have been hit. I don't know why my TV isn't making noise. We'll go back up to the 30-second US 30. Again, I wouldn't trade any of these. The only way I would trade these would be if I'm just in and out super, super quick. There you go. It's going to go right down to there. No other trader on earth is trading live with you guys every day, nearly every day, trading 5 second, 1 second, 10 seconds, 15 30 seconds, telling you where it's going to go. I hear crossing. Yay, I don't think I can hear that. It's good. Nice. Prayers, please, for Monte John Baby Girl. Please, everyone, take a moment to practice the silliness of trading. And please, we ask for healing blessings on Monte John's daughter. To be healed up head to toe in every way possible, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, whatever she needs healing in, please heal her. And every one of us that are listening right now, I don't know, we probably got about, about 100 or so. Yep. Please, everyone that's listening or will listen to this, say a prayer for Monte Dunn's daughter. Thank you, God, for hearing our prayers. In Jesus Christ's name, we pray these things. Amen. 30-second hit. 30-second hit. Gee, I wonder if anyone at all named Kevin Grego wrote this out. Yeah, Let's see what the Kevster wrote. I don't know what I wrote or not. Maybe we should read it together. Let's read it together, shall we? Let's just read it together. For US 30, SPX, NAS, ES1, YM1, NQ1, these short-term sell stops demo only to 30-second blue lines. I wouldn't touch, but there it is. There's your 30-second blue lines. Ha, 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 ha. They will form 3-hour buy stops. Love them. Or 5-hour buy stops. Yeah, I'll make that 3 to 5-hour buy stops. Anyone else here? About whatever, 78 of you here. There were 78 of you here that heard me and saw me write this out. Daily sells, don't touch. Yet. Weekly buy stops are the best. You're inside of one right now. You're literally playing inside of probably a 4-hour or a 2-hour sell right now, a down candle on that. You're playing in. Thank you guys for your blessings for Thank you, Larry, for acknowledging I made these calls. I want everyone to acknowledge that because God has given me the blessings. I give God all the credit. Next up are the 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm not calling those, but to the 1 minute sell stop unofficially. Sure, why not? Again, you don't touch. Some of you are mistakenly confused. You don't touch a 30-second sell or a 5 minute sell, 1 minute sell, or 3 minute sell when you're inside of a weekly buy. I don't understand. When Tommy says it, you guys all get it. When I say it, you don't have a clue of what I'm speaking. It's kind of funny. You guys have to understand that you do not go against the flow of the river. But yet, oh, I don't get it. There's a safety trade inside of a safety trade. Right now, we're looking for a buy stop inside of a weekly safety trade. Not sure why you guys don't understand that, but whatever. I can only beat my head against the wall so many times. You're welcome, Ken. Good morning, Annie Apple. Thank you for speaking up. Yeah, everybody knows it. I wrote it out, drew it out. Come on now. That's silly talk. And this US 30 is going to hook and come back down again. You're going to see it do this. The line right here is going to hook and come back down. This right here. Then you're going to see price action come up, hook like that, and come back down. Then you're going to, oh, it's already past. You're going to see this red. Now the next one you're going to see turn are these two right here, then these two, and then this one. So this is going to be the order first, second, and third. Now, do I care about those? Nope. All I want are these buy stops right here. These buy stops. Yep. Right here. Check. No to these, even though we're making money. No. But you guys play and trade however you want. What's up, Crash? Morning, Crash. Thank you for praying for Monte Dunn's daughter. Appreciate you. All blessings are absolutely heard by God. I know they help. Boy, they helped me out multiple times not too long ago, within the past year in my real life, all the blessing you guys give me. For everybody in the world. I ask your same blessings, healing blessings upon Keith Palmer, and of course my beautiful wife Bree and I. Appreciate any and all blessings. I don't ask for praise, I ask for blessings, that's for sure. Thank you guys for everything you give us spiritually. D. Jones, in advance, got it. I didn't see your first question, D. Jones. You might have to email it in. If I don't read your question, it's because it's being blocked by TikTok, or in this case, YouTube. I can't read what I can't see, so it blocks keywords. You know what we didn't do? Hold on a second. We got to call gold. Hold. You guys pay attention to those things. Have fun. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Hey, speaking of which, whoa, wait a second. Let me see. This is so wonderful to see. I've taught this for 3 years. You can never see these cells right here are creating the buys right here. Isn't that the fucking coolest? The cells right here, as they go down further, create higher and higher time frame buy stops. I told you they did, but now you guys can't deny it. Because I saw it, but how do I show you guys? So then I had to get Keith to code this out. Now you guys can see what I see. Isn't Keith great? Isn't my beautiful wife great? My children great, my mother-in-law great, my brother great, my sister great, just had her birthday. Life isn't perfect by any stretch of the imagination. Trust me, it's not. We all can find things to focus on. I can find things to focus on that were bad, for instance, with the business, or bad with, maybe my brother and I's relationship, or you just focus on all the good that you have in this world. Even though it's raining for every day for the last 3 weeks here where I live. Thank God for the rain, life-giving, water. You know, there's always stuff to focus on. Now you can see it. Man, if people understood what they are looking at as a dang 8 p.m. It is, Keith. Keith is correct, and Keith is still with us. Yay! Keith usually does a million things in the morning. Thank you, God, Kevin and Bree. And yes, D. Jones, I don't know what you asked. If you asked anything. Keith Palmer, now you can see it. Man, if people understood what they are looking at, look at Keith go. I agree with Keith's statement right here. Let's go ahead and go back over here. Matter of fact, we have another trip coming up. We got to work Keith in. We're going to try to go up and visit him around his birthday. Keith the Rooney. We're going to visit Keith on his birthday. Let's see if the 1 minutes are holding now. Let's go to NAS. Let's go to 1 minute. Nope. NAS, 1 minute. Let's see. NAS. Oh, NAS 1 minute sell. Love it. NQ 1 minute sell to the NAS. To the NQ blue line SPX. Yep. Nope. I think it's still going to be NAS and NQ1. There you go. This will be next right here. These two. This is where it's going out to right there. Yay. Keith, did we ever make this so the ability to be smaller? Let me see something. I don't know if we ever made this the ability to be smaller. That's the banner. Oh, I see. He made it go. I don't know if we ever made this smaller. Yeah, so the banner did, but I don't see this. That's okay. We could make it just a little bit smaller. That'd be nice, but that's okay. People can see it good this way. I just need a little more room down here on my charts. Maybe if I went left to right on this. Oh, Lord, you know how long that would take me to set up? Oh, no, I updated it so you can change position, but not the size. I can do that this morning. How poor Keith. Party time, says Keith. Yeah, baby. Well, you can grill out for us or something. I might have a beer with him, I swear to God. I don't even drink. He says, no, I updated it so you can change the position, but not the size. I can do this. Thank you, Keith. But I know you're busy and shit. Just do whatever. Da 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 da. I wonder if I went top to bottom on the left. Would that be easier? Top to bottom on the left. First of all, let's save this. Let's make a copy of this. And then let's change this to, we're going to need 2 on the left and 1 on the right. Do they even have that layout? Sometimes they're really weird with what they allow. 2 on the left and 1 on the right. What do they do? This is going to be a mess. Oh boy, you never know which one you're getting here. Holy shit, that wasn't bad at all. This is actually really, 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 really good. Wow, this worked out really well. Damn, peeps. How did I manage this? Let me get this over though. Wow, that worked out spectacularly well. Now, how do I get rid of this pain in here, anybody? How do I get rid of this one? Fuck. Anybody with trading view knowledge? How do I get rid of this center one right here that's useless? I don't want. Let's see. Anybody on TikTok know? Then Q Bach just broke on the 5 minutes, says Damien. Thank you, Damien. Good morning and great day to you, Taraya Edwards. This is awesome, by the way. Thank you, Keith, so much. Keith does everything. He's the best, I swear to God. How do I get rid of this pane right here? There's nothing in it. I don't know what you call this in your land. I love that, says Fletch. Yeah, I think I'm going to love this too, actually. It's going to work out much better. I have more room for my charts. Auto fits, out of scale. How do you hell you get rid of this stupid thing? Canvas. I don't know how you get rid of one of those suckers. And I don't want these two. Probably need to drag one of the edges to narrow it. Go to object tree, third icon on left. Go to object tree. Object tree, third icon on left. On right. 1, 2, 3. Am I in the wrong object tree? This one right here? Is that the one, Bob? Oh boy. Oh, thank you, Bob. Boy, Bob is the best. Good morning, Random Neil. Thank you, Bob Ooten. You're the best, buddy. Trio, the tree, carrot, top left, and then it will let you see the menu to delete that pane. Thank you, Honda Land. Good morning, Honda Land. Thank you, Bob Ooten and Honda Land in the panel, top right. Thank you, Persistent. Boy, that's a help. Look at it looking much better. Okay, let's save the fuck out of this thing. Let's go over to here, and let's go over to here. We're going to name this as the thing. Reverse setup. 5, we're in a future case, 25. There we go. Nice. Yeah, I like this setup. I'm going to keep the other one handy in case I want to flip back, but this is perfect. Oh, this is much better. Wow, this is gorgeous. Okay, where are we at with everything? I don't even know what we're doing. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. We need, we're looking for what? NAS? Let's see what's going on with that 1 second, 5 seconds. Oh, this is so much better. Wow, this is like breathing. Good job, guys. Thank you all. Keith, I don't think we need to resize it after all. Everybody on TikTok. I learned a new pro tip. Sorry, mad typo there. No, thank you, Honda Land. Appreciate that. What's up, Cristobal Armas? I know, right, Kirk? Always learning something new. Oh, oh, man, I'm tired. I slept pretty good, though. All right. We have about 30 minutes before market open, about 29 minutes to market open. Please don't trade market open. I'm going to trade through it. I might actually trade the, hey, speaking of which, how are my trades doing? Let me save all these while I'm at it. Bookmark all tabs. Today is private, so 5/27/25. I just updated the code. Thank you, Keith. Poor Keith. There we go. All right, peeps, this is looking great. Getting these charts looking better and better every day. Thanks to the great Keith Palma. There Keith going. I swear to God. Look at that. He already did what I asked. He's amazing. Thank you, Keith. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Damn, we're pushing about 100 people between Facebook Messenger, Facebook, X, Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. It's a good morning. Let's raise this up just a little bit. All right. Oh, we might be able to hear the alert today. Hey, Keith, I think we're going to see the alert. 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 When these three out of these five turn, we're going to see alert pop up here. Oh, that's going to be so great. It's NAS to the 5-second blue line. Am I 5 second? Why don't I see my thing right here? It is 5 seconds. This gaming mode thing, Keith, is driving me fucking bonkers. I hate it. All right, let's go over to here. Let's go down to here. There we go. Yep. 5-second blue line is hit. Thank you. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. It's yay. Nice. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Thank you, God. That was awesome. 1 second. Buy, stop, buy, stop. I still want to see. Will it fly up? Will it show the thing? I think I engaged it. I think Keith showed me how to do that. Hey, does anyone else like button hint? Come on, let's go. Money time. Thank you, Keith. There's probably not any 5 people like the lives. I swear I should get back to that. Keith, remember I wanted you to make a shell for them to be able to enter into YouTube so that we can track who's here and who doesn't hit the like button. I can kick them out for life. Remember we talked about that? I brought that up for about a year or two. Is there any way you can make a portal or something they have to log into to see YouTube? I wish we did, because if I can do that and I find out who wasn't hitting that like button, I'd ban them for fucking life. Just saying. It was not part of the Discord, aka by the system. You are missing out on nuggets like Kevin, Kick, Parker Brothers, and more. Amen. Thank you, Bob, for speaking up. And thank you, Keith, for speaking up. Good morning, Lachey. Buy stop, Ricochet. Back to the blue line. It's going to go right back up here. NAS to the 5-second blue line. NQ1 to the 5-second blue line. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. There we go. Told you. Tick, ding, ding, ding. Told you. Told you right where it was. There it is. Told you. Told you. Told you. Oh, there you go. There's NQ1 with 0 drawdown, I might add. There's euro drawdown. Let's go to SPX next. SPX to the 5-second blue line will be next. And then ES1, it's in the game, will go to its 5-second blue line. There it is. Told you, told you. These will now change next over here. This will go up to here and turn to green. This will come over to here and turn to green. Right here. There you go. And then that's what it's going to do. You're welcome. Pink's going to come down. Pink's going to cross purple. Purple's going to come up. There'll be a space here. That space will fill in just like it did here, 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 and here. And then you'll see price action go back up to that 5-second blue line for ES1. It's in the game. What's up, Luke? What's up, Lachey and Bob? Keith, I wish there was some kind of shell, some kind of login we force everybody to go through. I'm telling you. One of these years, we're going to figure that out. And then everybody has to hit the like button or they're kicked the fuck out. Yeah, I think that's funny. Look at those. Look at those beautiful buy stops forming. How do you know when they engage? When the 1 seconds flip, and then you're to the 5 seconds and they flip. That's how you know when the higher time frames engage. My system tells you everything. You can catch a falling knife with the system. Told you exactly where it's going now, and there it is. There it is. ES1, it's in the game. It's flipping. As told to you, the fill in the gap happened. The green went up and touched the yellow. The pink crossed the purple up to the blue line. This is all happening exactly as I tell you. Exactly as I tell you. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ridiculous. Ridiculous how great the system is. How easy it is once you learn it. I understand there's a learning curve. That would work. And there you go. Next up, you're going to see US 35-second hit. And then you're going to see these flip over on the 10-second. There it just hit. There it just hit. All morning long, nothing but correct call after correct call. We're going to go to US 30. Correct call after correct call after correct call. How much more do you guys want, really? Come on now. It's getting out of hand. The sheer accuracy of what you're witnessing is just crazy. Absolutely crazy. Give me a second, peeps. Working on something. Okay. Buy stop 5-second back to the blue line. Right here, it's going to happen. This is your buy stop, as so many of you know. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. It's going to go up. It'll change over here. It's telling you there's a 5-second buy stop. If you can't figure it out yourself, the system tells you when there's a buy stop. And that's it to the blue line. We have about 19 minutes to market open. There you go. Watch it change over here. Then all these 10 seconds are going to change the green too. There's the fill in, there's the blue, there's the hook, and there it is going over the top. The sniper is absolutely essential. The sniper rifle steroid edition is also essential. And there you go. And it went up and touched the blue line. Well, that might not look like a lot of money to you. It's a shit ton of ticks. It's a shit ton of pips too. That's about 5 to 8 pips, about 50 to 80 ticks for those of you who are doing your thing. That it had zero drawdown, by the way. And there it goes. And there it is. Whether it goes past there or not is irrelevant. It went up there, you would have made your money. And that's all that matters. Man, I've missed so much better when engaged on a daily basis. Correct, Bob. I wish everybody was, Bob. And it's so great to have you here too, Bob. Appreciate you. Good morning, John Park. What's up, John? Winning never gets old, baby. Good morning, Techman. I agree with John. And good morning, Techman. Look at it. There it goes. There it goes. US 30 is now above. You'll see this change the green. Oh, maybe. I think it did. Damn it. And now it flipped back down again. But it went up, and you're up about 10 pips or 100 ticks for those of you who are doing your. Who's a good morning over there? Random Neil, good morning on TikTok. YouTube, Keith's writing me over here. Let's see what Keith's writing. Any other ideas? Wonder if we can force them to go through buy stop, the second leg of a buy stop to the 5-second blue line, buy stop. Price action, this is your buy stop right here. This is pink and across the blue. You're going to see the pink come up, the purple come up, and the blue will come up. Then you'll see this turn to green, green, green like this. Price action will go back up to here and touch. You'll see this change to green. And that is what it's going to look like. Oh, good morning, Techman. Good morning, John Parker. Glad to have you back, Bob Ooten. Emailed it to you. Oh, that's not right. I don't think so. You don't even have to be logged into YouTube to watch your vids. So how do we get YouTube to control who's watching? Okay, we can have a account. What if we made YouTube mute and they had to go to the Discord, public Discord or somewhere to see and hear it. But then that would do away with all my, damn, how do we do that? Can I make YouTube mute by itself? And then force them, can we see who's on? Can we see who's on Facebook? And then block them if they don't hit the like button, Facebook and X. There's got to be a way around this because Facebook keeps all the recordings of my lives too, and I can use Facebook instead of YouTube. There's got to be a way to catch people not hitting the thumbs up button. I hate this. We said this years ago. Oh, 5 second blue line hit. 5 seconds. See exactly as I drew out. Exactly as I drew out. See those green, 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 higher, higher, higher. See the blue, the pink, and the purple go up. See it go to the blue line. You see it change to the 5 second. Told you. Told you. Told you. Told you. Told you. Told you. Told you again. Told you again. All right. Buy stop to the 5 second. It's going to do it all over again. Buy stop to do the exact same thing. Look at my drawing. Exactly the same thing. Pink, blue, blue come up. The green's going to hold. It's going to go back up to the green. This is going to go to right here. This is going to go to green. You're going to see this turn into a green. Went off, Keith. I don't think the went off. All right. Peepee weepies. NQ's crossing, NQ's crossing. All of my take profits. Okay, that's it. We're going to go back in. US 30 buy stop. US 30 buy. US 30 buy. We'll just wait right here. Fuck this shit. Okay. All right. What do we got? Buy stop to the 1 second below. You go, US 30. Oh, it already hit it. All right. We have about 10, 12 minutes to market open. Please don't play market open. If you're going to play market open, please, please play it demo only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
There's a delay. So when I go, Brian, you must have missed it. There it is. There it is. Alert on the 10-second S1. No, you misunderstood me, Brian. There is no one else could go in there. It's closed. Why would someone email me? Fucking don't email me asking for things that aren't there. Oh, you're in profit. You're in profit. You're in profit. Yep. You're in profit on those buy stops. You can close those down if you'd like. I'm going to leave one open and lock in profit on that. I just traded that trade with you. I literally just, don't tell me shit. I just traded that trade with you. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line on US 30 and YM now. Yep, there you go. The exact same things forming, by the way, just so we're clear. You can clearly see your buy stops, blue line high, most important thing ever, pink and purple line low, your buy stop here, buy stop here to the blue line here. It's going to ricochet and come back up and go there. And don't tell me you don't have time to make fucking demo money. You do. I just did. Great lives coach, psychology of trading is huge. Thank you, John. There you go, Matt Sagowitz. Yep, Matt made some money. I'm sure he made demo money. Buy stop YM Yeezy 1 to the 5-second blue line and US 30 to the 5-second blue line. Again, it's going to go up. It's going to go up and touch it. You're going to see these turn to green right here. But we really need something else now. We need, and I mean, we need these things to. There it is. There it is. There it is. Touchdown, US 30 and YM1 to the second blue line. You're welcome. Oh, thanks. Yeah, for $1.99. You don't have to do that, Matt. All morning long, 100% calls, drawing out, telling you where it's going to go. I haven't even got to gold. I didn't get to gold. I didn't get to Bitcoin. I didn't get to XRP. They're all buys, but I didn't get to them. Crazy. Now at market open, we need some pull downs. We need the market to pull back at open. We need these to fall, and hopefully the 5 seconds to fall too. If I can get a pullback on maybe NAS or SPX, I guess, maybe. If I can get a pullback on there, I'll get us in some more money. Demo money, of course, only. Nice. Kev, I don't think it should go to anyone being blocked just to support someone, something that all benefits us. People just hit the like button or type like in the comments. Yeah, all they have to do is hit the like button, Orlando Walters. I'm not trying to do anything else. But the people here are there's 60, 80, 100 people on YouTube, and there's like 10 like buttons. That's bullshit. No. I'll tolerate it this morning, but I'll get back on that where I take off of YouTube and just give it to you on Twitch, Twitter, X, or something like that. Yeah, fuck this shit. Too lazy. Yeah, good. Maybe we'll get to pull back on US 30. Actually, that would be nice. No, but if you're too lazy to hit the like button as you steal all of my call outs, that's bullshit. Go fuck yourself, as far as I'm concerned. Buy stop. Looks like a nice pullback for US 30. Oh, good. SPX too. SPX. Let's go to SPX. Yep. Buy stop SPX US 30 for market open in about 7 minutes. Buy stop ES1. Follow it down. You'll know when it flips. Nice. We're getting a pullback, peeps. We needed this pullback. Not much of one, but it's a little one. Buy stop NQ1. Buy stop 10-second NAS. We're running out of time here. And Precious is up. Precious. Oh boy. Precious. Yay, Precious. All right. 924. Oh God. All right. We'll let that pull back, and I'll be right back in just a minute. Just chill. I'll be right back in a minute. Hands is pulling back, says Mr. Gold. Yay. Hell no. Morning, peeps. I'm back. All right. Oh, good. We have pullback. We have pullback. We have pullback. Awesome. This is awesome. Hold on. Let me get everything bearings right now. 3 minutes. All right.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
This is awesome. Oh, this is fun. You guys got a break here. 1 minute. 1 minute. 5 minute. US 30. Go to US 30. Go to the 10-minute buy stop. US 30, 10-minute buy stop. I love this trade. US 30, 10-minute buy stop. Let's go down here. Love, love, love the trade. Love this trade. US 30, 10-minute buy stop. Just follow it down. Or you can wait. Let me be clear on this so you guys don't get confused on things. Wait until these 1 seconds kick into green and or the 5 seconds kick into green or both. And then you can get back in this buy stop. As it is, 1 minute to market open. Do not play market open. Make sure you get in and out really quick. By the time you hear my voice, I'm probably in and out of a trade. So be very careful with this. Don't try to duplicate what I do. This is not what you see on TV. You do not want to try this on at home, boys and girls. This is awesome. This is awesome. They gave us an opportunity. Thank you, Orlando. We appreciate you too. On the almost nice, Larry Cooper. Which one is it? Yes, absolutely. Keith says the $1.99 will be $10.99 will be 100. That's what happens actually. It's so funny how that works out. Remember, folks, it's not about the money that will come automatically. It's about consistent win rate matches. Amen. Oh, market open, market open, market open. Wait, wait, wait. Thank you, Matt, so much again. Keith is correct in what he's saying there. It's NAS, baby. All right, let's take a look. Go to NAS. NAS is a buy. Buy stop NAS. 10-minute buy stop NAS. I love it. 10-minute, 15-minute buy stop NAS. Love NAS. Let me get back into NAS. Hold on. We're going to drop in a few right there. You have plenty of opportunity for SPX. Yep, buy stop SPX, 10-minute. Just be patient. It's going to take a while. YM1 is a 10-minute, probably even a 15-minute buy now. Let me see. Going to move any fucking slower. Buy stop NAS, buy stop YM1, buy stop US 30, about 15-minuters. You can clearly see where they're at. Or you can wait until these 1 seconds flip. Feel free to do whichever you prefer. Okay. NAS buy stop is the one I like better, and I think that's the one the system called out. Yep. NAS buy is in the money. NAS buy is in the money. You can close down your trade on the NAS buy. Or be patient and hold. We're inside of a very nice. Almost all done here. All right. I'm just going to let you guys be then. Just hold. Wait for these buys. Wait for the 1 second, 5 seconds to flip over to green over here, or the 1 seconds at least. Then re-enter the trade for the buys. Especially, I would especially look for US 30 and NAS. That's going to take a little bit, but it's going to do it. Just take your time. We'll hold right here. All right. Thank you all. God bless. Got to run. Talk to y'all later. See ya. Nice.